everyone, Jellybean World here, and today I will be showing you how to make a DIY Lego puppet. First, this is a real puppet. You can see it makes a popping noise, and it's mostly known for a fidget for stress. And this is my version, and you have to poke them through with this, or you can use your thumb. It doesn't make that big of a noise on this side. Then when you go to the other side, yep, that's how you do it. So it's very simple, and I'll pause the video and let me break it so I can show you. Since I did not want the video to be very long, I just took out 2 of these. So basically, you're just going to get a Technic bar with holes, and you are going to get a bunch of these pieces. So it's a Technic piece, and it has a stud at the top, and you'll need to put them in. It doesn't matter which size. You can do huge, you can do super small. This is just my size. Then you can just put them together depending on how tall you want it. And I'm making mine 3 bricks high. So see, this is mine. And then you don't want it to break, so you'll make a frame. This is just my frame. You don't have to do, basically the only thing you have to do is about this part, not the frame and the size, because this is just my frame and size. And finally, you're going to get little 1x1 studs that are either circle or square, and you're just going to put them on. I'm just going to do that very quickly. And while I'm doing this, thanks VGL Gaming for sponsoring this video. VGL Gaming is a gaming and Lego YouTube channel. It's in the link in the description. They're new to YouTube. Please like and subscribe to them. And yeah, let's get back to this. So now this is it done, and there are 2 ways you can pop them at the back. The back is the part where you got to push them out. You can either use a pin like this and go like that. And if you leave it in, it shoots kinda. Or you can just push it with your thumb. Or you can use your fingernail. Sometimes I use my fingernails. And yeah, that's how you make a DIY Lego puppet. So, yeah, please like and subscribe to Jellybean World, and like and subscribe to our sponsor, VGL Gaming. It's VGL, X instead of an A, MING. Link in the description for the YouTube channel. Bye, everyone.